Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to browse the internet without changing tabs in Google Docs. So let's say that you are on your paper in Google Docs, you are working on your paper in Google Docs and you want to search the internet but you don't want to leave this page. I can show you how you can do that. So instead of click on the plus to add a new tab and then changing tab to browse the internet, you can just do with this shortcut. So this is the shortcut that you can use to search the internet directly from the Google Docs. So you can just type in control plus alt plus shift and then plus I. So I'm going to click on this on my keyboard, and after you click on that, this explore will be show up like this, and then you can just search your docs and the web. For example, I want to search about Jane Eyre. So this my paper is about Jane Eyre. I'm going to show you. Okay, so here is the result from the web. So you can see, you can just browse over here without having to change the tab or add the tab in your browser. So you can just do that in here. You can also see the image or drive. And if you want to add it, you can just click on the plus icon right here, for example. So it will directly go to your Google Docs like this. Okay guys, so I think that's all. That is how you can browse the internet without having to change the tab in Google Docs. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.